Hey there. It is another weird food related holiday, and so I thought I'd take another chance to whip up something good. This time it is National Carrot Cake Day, which happens to be one of my favorite types of cakes, so that works out pretty well. Anyway, here we go. Let's see how it turns out. Is this thing on? Now we whisk together all of our dry ingredients. That's our flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and salt. And now we whisk together our wet ingredients. So that's our coconut oil, milk, sugar, not a wet ingredient, applesauce, and vanilla. Now we mix in our shredded carrots, fold in our dry ingredients. Don't overmix. Now we're going to get a fine chop on these walnuts, and we'll mix that in with everything. And we should be good, ready to throw it into the oven. So we're going to throw our walnuts in the mix as well. Just put a fine chop on those. If you are a raisin person, I guess you would put them in here too, but that's gross. And I said what I said. Anyway, I'm gonna put the finishing touches here. I think we'll be ready to throw them into the pans. All right, it is time for the toothpick test. Let's see if these are ready. Looking good. Okay, so cakes are cooling in the background, and so I thought I'd give you a little haha. How do you know that carrots are good for your eyes? Have you ever seen a rabbit with glasses? All right, so crumb coat is on, and just put on the second layer of frosting. And so we're gonna throw it back in the fridge for a little bit to set, and be right back with a taste test and a verdict.